Welcome everyone. Today it's my birthday and we're off to the garden centre, so we're going to check out a very close passion of mine. We're going to look at the tropical style plants at a Blue Diamond based Bridgemere garden centre. Reason for the trip, I really wanted to go and see the koi fish because I'm really starting to think about that pond that's coming this coming winter. But like always, I'm going to share the plants, I'll share the prices, I'll share some information behind it, and I'll give you some comparisons when it comes to budget-friendly options as well. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now, I will start by saying they've got a fantastic selection of plants. Mostly great quality, but not all, which we'll come on to. So, this Emerald Star Cordyline, $24.99, very similar to the Australis, but the much thicker leaves on them. So we've got some hardy bananas for £115. Now these have all been frosted, as you can see just there, and they're reshooting again, and I think that's really not good value when you can pick a singular plant up from about $9.99 in a B&M store. If you're willing to wait to that size. So we've got some Red Star Cordylines then. So these aren't quite as hardy as the green Australis. We have some beautiful hostas though. I really do love these. $14.99 then. So they are slightly bigger than what you'll find in B&M and B&Q stores at the moment, for around about £5. I'll just leave that there. And then we've got some lovely displays. So one thing the Blue Diamond group do is they make some fantastic plant displays. So we've got the Sicky Palm, £65. So that's a tiger leaf palm. Again, I do think that's quite expensive. I'm not gonna lie. For the size of that plant, you're not buying a multi-crowned one or loads of stems. So I don't see why it's that much money. In comparison to other stores, we've got some really great size Chamaerops, and the ferns are looking absolutely fantastic as well. These variety $16.99. As you can see, they put the plant display together smashingly. It does look really, really great. So Trachycarpus fortunei, then this is an Excelsior, so $14.99 for a very small palm. Now they are like hybrids, some of these, so you are paying for not the generic palms. We've got some lovely Wagneranus just here, so I actually bought a couple of these for £18 from B&M. And this is $49.99. Yes, you'll have a great root system and a fantastic quality plant, but the prices will vary. So Formiums, and this is a beautiful variety, just this pink one here. Now Formiums, anything from dwarf from 1 foot all the way up to about 6-7 feet. So we've got some Trachycarpus fortunei then. £225 for this specimen. I mean, it is a great specimen. Great specimens do come with great prices, right? So we've got a really good selection of ferns, several different varieties. $12.99. This is slightly cheaper than the last one that we've just picked up. It all depends on what your requirements are, what you want in your garden, right? So singular Musabaju, the hardy banana. So all of the stock isn't exactly in great condition. As you can see, the brown just on top there, it's always worth checking. But again, for $19.99, I just don't think they're good value. So these are actually labelled as the Tetrapanax Rex. Now it actually looks like a variety called Papyrifera. The leaf shape doesn't quite look right. You've really got to wait until they get a little bit bigger in order for me to give a really accurate sort of opinion on it, but they do look a little bit more like the Papyrifera. They're a great little tree. They grow super fast, and they are hardy once they've got a wooden stem. So they've got a really decent variety of Cordylines at the moment, $22.99. Again, you can pick sort of Charlie Boy up and places like that from around £10 in other stores. And then we've got the spider web. So this is like a variegated variety of a Fatsia. Really lovely, but it does come at a good price, $49.99. So B&M actually had some smaller ones of these, probably half the size, stocking at spring, and I think they were around about £8. So again, I'll leave that one there. So more sickies then. So the Bengal Tiger Palm, $84.99. And as you can see, the frost has slightly had this leaf, although it is meant to look a little bit like that. But that's a lot of money for that size banana plant. So we've got the smaller palms then, Chamaeropsis humilis, then we've got Trachycarpus fortunii, and we've got some waggies all starting from around $14.99. And then this was a really interesting one for me. So this is the Phoenix, and the variety is the Robellini. Now, I hope I pronounced that right, $29.99. This is also in stock in B&M stores at the moment for around, I'm going to say about £18. May even be a little bit cheaper. So we've got some beautiful specimens of some whip past me then, some beautiful specimens of these big tree ferns. Now they do come with a bit of a price, but they are like a real showstopper in your garden. So this large Chamaeropsis humilis, £259. This has like a bit of a spike on the stems, and again there I'm just pointing out the bananas don't look the best. Now loquat tree, I absolutely love these. They don't do very well here in Staffordshire, and they come with a very decent price tag as well. I will just mention I have one in my garden, gets knocked back every winter, and this is £119. Meant to be an evergreen, but they're not doing very well in my garden. Again there, we've got some more of the Tetrapanax labelled as the Rex, but again I feel like there may be a bit more of the Papyrifera variety. But just look at that loquat tree, it looks absolutely fantastic, doesn't it? So more of the same then, more Tetrapanax, more bananas, and then we'll come on to the beautiful tree ferns a little bit later in the video. But this is Nardinia. Now this is a lovely evergreen shrub, but it comes with a good price tag of around £50, but they have got some smaller ones in stock at the moment as well. This pushes out like little red flowers in the spring, and they're $19.99. So I love the fact that they've put some red robins in the display as well. It really shows off the different colour leaves on the tree ferns and things like that. So let's take a little bit of a look through some of the tree ferns and see if we can get some prices up on some of these bad boys. Now they'll all have a passport. All plants do have passports, and that's very often what you can see on the label. I did struggle to get quite a few here, but I actually asked the guy. That was £325. And we've got some smaller ones just here. Now the Latin's Dixonian Antarctica, and as you can see here, this is £190 for less than a 3-foot trunk. But look at the throngs on that, aren't they special? Look absolutely fantastic. And they've got several in stock. I think £130 was the cheapest one that I actually saw. But they do give some like dramatic sort of presence to the garden. Now we're going to look at some large Trachycarpus fortunii just here. They're absolutely huge, and this is £500. So let's just play a game. We'll just play, if I win the lottery, I will buy, because some of these prices, smashing plants, but they're just not in my budget. So Trachycarpus fortunii there then, we've seen for $69.99. Have a very similar one in B&M at the moment for around $37.99 for a very similar price. We've got some more loquat trees then, £299. They look great, I'm not denying. I just feel like they're not quite in my price range, I'm afraid. And then we've got some really lovely grasses, $64.99. So we have a twin Trachycarpus fortunei. So we've got the 2 plants in one pot. Oh, sorry, 3 plants in one pot. And that is £999. You can tell I'm not used to saying these prices. And we've got some hybrids then. We've got some Chamaeropsis excelsior. So that's just as hardy as the traditional Chamaerops humilis. And then we have some Bootia palms. These are really quite special and very hardy. They come with a pretty steep price tag then. So this one here is £550. See if we can get a better look at the passport. So Bootia capitata. The pot size is 600 centimetres, so it's in a fair one. As you can see there, I put the label back as well. I do try and be very respectful of the garden centres, nurseries and stores that I go around. I mean, I can't deny they've got some fantastic specimens in, and they are, for the most part, looked after really well. It's just that I feel like maybe the bananas, they could have been sort of reduced down and cleared out, because I don't feel like they're good value for money. So more Bootia then. So obviously a smaller specimen just here. I say smaller, but it's still absolutely huge. It's got a great stem on it, £249. They're becoming quite a sought-after palm, to be fair. A lot of people are going for those, add something a little bit different in their garden. Then we've got some bamboos just there for £125. This looks like the yellow stem bamboo as well, which is a clumping variety. My final thoughts are, you actually get what you pay for here. There we have it. I've had a fantastic trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. Till tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.